Okay children, in the previous video we have seen country mouse wrote a letter to town mouse and it said that it is coming to city, that is town, right? So after country mouse went to city, what happened, everything let us see in this video. A few days later, the country mouse arrived in the town. He was surprised by the noise and the lights. So if you enter the city, the first sound we can hear is mainly the vehicles sound. The traffic in the city is horrible, everyone knows it, right? So country mouse reached the town. So after reaching the town, it was surprised by these lights in the midnight and the traffic, horn sounds, vehicle sounds, everything made the country mouse shocked. Why are these lights? Why are there lights even in the middle of the night? He asked. Country mouse asked a question to town mouse. Why all these lights even in the middle of the night? Country mouse is asking. This is the town, his cousin replied. Here there are lights even in the middle of the day. Even in the daytime also we switch on the lights in the city. So this is city, this is town, we live like this, it said. And what is this dreadful noise that never stops? Asked the country mouse. What is this dreadful, dangerous noise, horrible noise? What is this horrible noise? It is asking. That is the traffic, the town mouse replied. That is a noise made by buses, lorries, cars and aeroplanes. Town mouse is saying that. So that traffic sound is made by all the vehicles. Generally in the villages we can see only bullock carts or cows we can see. They use it for transport purpose, but in cities we can observe these buses, lorries, all these vehicles, and definitely vehicles make all this noise. But the country mouse did not like it at all. All this noise has made my headache, he said. Could I have some water to drink? So country mouse did not like all this noise, lights, everything. I am getting headache. Can I have some water please? It is asking. Why only water? Said the town mouse. Look at what there is for you. Ice cold lemonade, orange juice. Which one do you want? So it is offering orange juice and ice cold lemonade, but it's not offering water because the people in the town do not keep water in the cupboards, right? So that's why town mouse is offering juices and orange juice, all these things. Just some water. Country mouse is saying, I just want a few water, some water, that's it. Answered the country mouse. Some water and a little bit of food. Water and food. If you offer me some water and a little bit of food, it will be relaxing for me. I'll have it and I'll take some rest, it said. I have plenty of food, cousin, said the town mouse proudly. You can eat as much as you like. Sure enough, the house of the town mouse at the back of a kitchen cupboard was full of most delicious food. See, you can see in the picture, right? This cupboard is full of fruits and everything. You can observe cheese. So this kitchen cupboard is filled with lot of food. So it is saying proudly, I have lot of food, you can eat as much as you can, it said. There was bread and jam, different kinds of fruits, slabs of chocolate and a huge piece of lovely cheese. So what are the food items which are available in the kitchen cupboard? Jam, bread and jam, fruits and slab. Slab means cubes of chocolates and a huge piece of lovely cheese. Generally mouse likes cheese. Eat cousin, eat, said the town mouse. But just then there was a sound like a thunder and the town mouse shouted, run cousin, run, run, it said. So there was no time to eat peacefully. It was just about to eat actually. Country mouse wanted to eat all those food. But when they started to eat, Suddenly there was a big sound. There was a sound like a thunder. What was that sound? The town mouse pushed the country mouse out through a hole in the back of the cupboard. The country mouse felt his heart beating very fast. But what is it? He asked. Shh, whispered the town mouse. Wait, wait, it is saying. So the country mouse heart was beating. So they thought that someone will catch them and they will kill them. So they ran away from the back of the hole which is located at the back of kitchen cupboard. There was a hole and town mouse pushed the country mouse into that hole. They were running fast. When everything was silent again, the town mouse crept out of the hole. He was quite cheerful again. So everything was silent again. Someone opened the kitchen cupboard and they took something. Again they closed the kitchen cupboard and there were no talking sounds, nothing, no sound of people, there was nothing. So everything was silent again. So town mouse was hearing everything from that hole. So when it was sure that no one was there nearby that cupboard, it slowly crept out of the hole and it has seen here and there, is there anyone near this cupboard or anyone is going to open the cupboard door again. So by observing all those things, slowly town mouse crept out of the hole. Crept means moving slowly. It was walking slowly out of the hole. Come out now, cousin, he said. That was only somebody opening the cupboard door. We are safe now. So when it came out of the hole, it made sure that there was no one near the cupboard and it called his cousin, country mouse. So cousin, come out of the hole. Now let us enjoy the food again. Now there is no one, no need to worry. We are safe now, it said. But they were not safe for very long. Twice more they had to run for safety when somebody opened the cupboard door. So again someone has opened the cupboard door. So next what they had to do? Again they had to run. They had to hide in the hole. That hole which is located at the back of the kitchen cupboard. So that is the house of the town mouse. So every time when people opens that kitchen cupboard, definitely they had to run. But if the people see this mouse, what happens? Definitely they will kill the mouse, right? So every time they had to run. Twice more, again 2 times. Also the process is repeated. Again it happened same with these 2 mice. They were not safe for very long. It's not safety place. The country mouse got quite tired of running and hiding. I want to go back to the country, he said. We may not get much food there, but at least we can eat in peace. So country mouse got vexed up with this food hunting. So in the village it was food searching, but here it is people are hunting the mouse. So they are enjoying the food. Lot of food is there in the kitchen cupboard, but town mouse is unable to eat peacefully. That is what country mouse said. We may not get this much food in the country, in our village, but whatever we can eat, raw food or whatever, something that we can eat peacefully at least. We don't have to run, we don't have to hide, we don't have to afraid of anyone in the village. I don't want to stay here anymore. Definitely I want to go back to my village, it said. So the next day the country mouse went back to his house in the country, and the town mouse stayed on his cupboard in the town, and as far as I know they did not visit each other. So country mouse went back to the village. It went to country. Town mouse stayed in town only, in that kitchen cupboard. It's living with that running and hiding, and if there is no one, it used to eat the food. If there is someone outside the kitchen cupboard, it has to hide definitely. So that is the lifestyle of town mouse. So whereas country mouse lifestyle is quite opposite to the town mouse lifestyle. It had to search the food, and it had to eat raw food and water, coconut water, but actually it is healthy food, right? So country mouse went to village and town mouse stayed in town. And as far as I know, this story writer is saying that as far as I know, they never visited each other. Country mouse did not go to town, town mouse did not go to country in their lifetime. They just enjoy their own lifestyles. So that's what actually, children. So if you go to village, you have to adjust. So you cannot find all the things that you get in city. But in village you can find peaceful atmosphere, greenery everywhere and healthy food. So that's what we should understand. So children, this is all about town mouse and country mouse lesson. In the next video, I will give you meanings and classwork of this lesson. So that's all for today. Let's meet in the next video.